So, a lot of people are wondering why schools like Dalton in Manhattan and other prestigious prep schools in the United States, the kids prefer to study for the SAT exam with us by Skype rather than going to a teacher inside the school or a local academy in Manhattan or having even classes at home. Simply put, people aren't stupid and we offer better quality. That's about it. Price-wise, I think we're just about equal to their price. We're not offering a bargain. We charge a good pretty penny, for our services, around 75 euros an hour for the English classes and about 100 for the math classes per hour. That's what a good teacher should earn, more or less. And the reason why schools like that are coming to us is because we have the record. I mean, we have a record in those schools of putting kids into Harvard, MIT, Berkeley, Columbia, Brown, William and Mary, the Ivy League. But not being a snob, plenty of kids from those schools also want to go to some nice state universities like Berkeley, Binghamton, Gainesville, Albany, for example, Duke, Chapel Hill. Those are some great schools all over the country. But if you're looking for someone to prepare your kid or for yourself to prepare the SAT, first question is to find your range. Where do you really want to go? Because there's no sense paying a teacher to prepare you above your head. I mean, if your goal is I want to go to the University of Miami, we're not going to prepare you for high-level calculus. It's not necessary. Okay, you'll spend a lot of money and time learning it, and you'll get 1 or 2 points more on the SAT for nothing. Okay, but if your goal is, let's say, to go to Stanford or maybe Columbia or Yale, we're going to start you with some high-level mathematics and work our way down. If we see you have a problem at the beginning, we'll tell you forget about that school. Or we'll say, here's what it's going to cost you in time and money to get into that school, and we can do it. But you decide, okay? But if you come to us and say, I really want to go to NYU or Tallahassee or UCLA or the University of Arizona or Arizona State University, Florida State, I don't know. We're going to look up the SAT score that school requires and give you a test immediately to see if you could do it and where you are relative to where you have to be. But again, we go back to the original question of the video. In a very prestigious school in Manhattan like Dalton, why are kids Skyping with us preparing the SAT? Some of our teachers live in Spain, others live in Israel, in the United States, in Verona, Wisconsin, Brooksville, Florida, Coral Springs, Manhattan, Boston, Chicago. We live everywhere. We're a group of teachers. But the reason they're Skyping us for their classes is because they want better quality. Okay. Secondly, they want flexibility. Maybe they play tennis or basketball or football. They really can't have a fixed schedule. They don't want to study in groups. They prefer to study at home. Instead of having a teacher come in the door, we offer better quality, maybe at the same price, but the quality is the most important part. You can get us on Skype at Levi Hello. It's an easy name to remember. Just look at the back of your pants. You have Levi's. Levi Hello. It's all one word, Levi Hello. Get us on Skype at that number. We offer you 3 classes for free to prepare your SAT. The first one is your, diagnostic. At the end of the 3, if you think we're full of it, don't pay us a penny and walk away. If you think you like what we're doing, you have to pay us for those 3 classes and then prepay 10 more. The prices, as I said before, are $70 an hour to $100 an hour. Private classes with 1 teacher. That's it. If you want any more information, you're going to have to get me on Skype.